Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shah once again with another video. This is our last part 3 of a video series based on university question paper solving of the year December 2022 of the subject Financial Accounting for all the TYBMS Sem5 student. In the past two parts, we have completed two very important and very simple problems on which had been appeared in the question paper, which you all need to learn. And I can guarantee you that if you go through those videos, you all can easily clear your paper with good marks. Okay, you can easily get all the types of sum covered up in that. Okay, so now in this particular video, we are going to cover up one more question, very important topic from the exam point of view. So let us see which is the question which was there. Question 4A, again, it was a 15 mark sum. It's given that on 1st April 2021, 506% debenture of 100 each of Mars Limited were held as investment by Mr. Kushal at a cost of 46,200. It pays interest on 1st July and 1st Jan. Other transactions are given that, May, October, December, Feb, you are selling and you have purchased. X interest and cum interest, both the values are given. You are required to prepare investment in 6% debenture in Mars Limited for the year ended as it would appear in the books of Kushal. Apply accounting standard 30. Again, now very simple. So now what I have done here, I've already solved the solution of this. So I'll just show you that and then we will discuss the working, how we got each and every value. Okay. So this is the solution, a very simple small solution. Now let us see one by one how we got the values. Now you have to start date wise. Okay, 1st April, 500 debentures of 100 each of Mars were held as investment at a cost of 46,200. Look at the working note very carefully. Working note number 1. The number of units of 500. Nominal value will be 500 into 100 as the face value. Multiply, we got the value as 50,000. The cost, that is the capital, is 46,200. And now we need to find the interest. Remember, interest is always calculated on nominal value. 50,000 into 6% debenture, so the entire sum made is 6%, into, ask only one question. When was the interest last paid? Okay, we are in the month of April. The last reverse May, if you go to see, the interest was paid on 1st Jan. So Jan, Feb, and March. April 1st. So we have 3 months ka interest that are pending. So into 3 divided by 12, we got the value as 750. So I've written here on 1st April to balance. Nominal working note number 1. Nominal value was 50,000. Interest 750 and capital 46,200. Okay, date wise, April, after April will come May. On 1st May, 100 debenture you are selling. So now that will be our working note number 2. So second working note, units is 100, you're selling it, nominal value will be into 100 as 10,000. You are selling it at the rate of 98 cum interest. So capital 100 units into 98 cum interest. Now rule of cum interest is, whenever there is cum interest, remember you have to subtract interest from the capital value. So 900 into 98 was 9,800. Interest we have to subtract. So first we'll find the interest. 10,000, again interest on nominal value. 10,000 into 6% into, when was the interest last paid? It was paid in the month of Jan. So Jan, Feb, March, April, and first Jan, Feb, March, April. May 1st is to you have sold, so May won't be considered. So 4 months are there. So into 4 divided by 12, we got the interest as 200. Under cum interest, we have to subtract the interest from the capital. So 9,800 minus 200 will be 9,600. So the moment we got that, we wrote the date 1st May by bank. Working note number 2, nominal value was 10,000, interest was 200, and capital was 9,600. Now, always remember, the moment you sell, we need to find the cost so that we can come to know whether there was a profit or a loss, okay, in the sale. So, working note number 3, the formula is NV of sale, whatever you're selling, the NV of that, which was 10,000, into, divided by total NV, that is debits minus credit. So, debit may, it was only 50,000 as of that. So, you don't have to look at the bottom part, okay, it's only that one transaction. So 50,000 into the total capital at that time, which was 46,200. Divided, multiply, we got 9240. Selling was 9,600, cost is 9240. So there was a profit of 360. Since there was a profit, same date on 1st May 2 PNL, 360 in the capital column. Okay, chalo. Now April, May, June में there was no entry given. July में we have a due date. So we come to July ka working due date. Check what is the value of debentures that we have. On this date we had 50,000 ka and we sold 10,000 ka. So 40,000 is pending. So 40,000 into 6% into 6 by 12 because it's half yearly, which comes to 1200. So on 1st July buy side, buy bank, only interest due 1200. Okay. So after the due date, after July comes August, September, October. So there is October you're purchasing. Working note number 5. Unit which your purchase is 300 units. So 300 into 100 is 30,000. It was purchased at 104 x interest. According to the rule of x interest, do nothing. Whatever is the value, take the same value. 300 into 104, which comes to 31,200. Okay, interest 30,000 on nominal value into 6% into when was the interest last paid? It was paid in the month of July. So July, August, September, 3 months. October is first, so won't be considered, which comes to 450. So according to this 1st October to bank, we are purchasing working note number 5, 30,450 and 31,200. So after October comes November, nothing. December may again you're purchasing same entry, similar working. Okay, we are purchasing 100 units at the rate of 97 come interest. So 100 into 100, 10,000, 97 के साथ you multiply. Come interest में you have to minus the interest. So interest is 10,000 into 6% into 5 by 12 because that was the date. When was the interest last paid? It was paid in July. So July, August, September, October, November. 5 months. So it comes to 250. 250 gets subtracted from your capital because it's come interest. So on 1st December, to bank working 6. Nominal value is 10,000. Interest is 250. 9450 is the total capital value. ठीक है चलो after December comes Jan. Okay, Jan में there is a due date. So on due date, what things we had 50 plus 30 80 plus 10 90, but we sold 10, so it's only 80,000 pending. So due date पे 80,000 into 6% into 6 by 12, which comes to 2,400. On the buy side, okay, we'll write 1st Jan buy bank 2,400. That's our due date value. After Jan, last entry is Feb. We are again selling. So working note number 8, 600 units, that is 60,000 into 97x interest, multiply, keep it as it is. Interest is on 60,000 into 6 divided by into 100 into 1 divided by 12 because it's taken in Feb. Jan was the interest due date, so Jan is only 1 month, comes to 300. So on the buy side, on 1st Feb, 60,000, 358, 200. Now, the moment you sell, we need to find the cost. So cost ka formula is NV of sale 60,000 upon the net NV which is remaining, that is 50 plus 30 80 plus 10 90 minus 10, which is 80,000. Capital, we add up all the capital value minus the credit side. The one which you are selling, you don't have to consider that. Okay, so we got the value. Okay, 58 to 808. We are selling it for 58 200, so there is a basically a loss of 8 rupees. So on the same date by PNL 8 rupee ka loss. Okay, that's it. After that, no more entry. We tally it. NV 90,000 on 31st March. 90 minus 70 is 20,000. That's my balance. On this particular 20,000, we'll need to find interest. So 20,000 into 6% into 3 by 12 comes to 300. Last capital we tally it, and whatever difference we get it, we note it down. Last step, we need to total the interest ka column. Okay, write it on both the sides, subtract it, and you will always get the balance of interest on the debit side. Okay, this is how you all had to solve the sum based on investment account. Okay, very simple. The only thing what you need to remember is the working note. Okay, so I hope everyone have understood that. Okay, with that we will be ending this video here. Thank you.